StarTech.com carries several MacBook Privacy Screens to help protect your sensitive data by limiting the viewing angle of your screen. They use microlouver technology, which darkens your MacBook screen when viewed outside a plus or minus 30-degree angle, keeping your data confidential and helping prevent visual eavesdropping in public spaces like airplanes or open office environments. We carry privacy screens for 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pros and MacBook Airs, and also have 14-inch and 16-inch models for 2021 or 2023 MacBook Pros. Our gold privacy screen models block out your sensitive data due to their quick transition to a mirrored finish. Gold privacy screens are more reflective than black for enhanced visual protection. All of our MacBook privacy filters reduce the blue light emitted by your display by up to 51% to help reduce eye strain and fatigue when working through extended periods of time, improving visual comfort. Our privacy screens are reversible and offer a matte side for environments prone to glare that also have a coating to help reduce fingerprints and scratches, as well as a glossy side that helps retain color vibrancy. For a hassle-free application, we offer different methods of installation, including magnetic along the laptop's bezel and residue-free adhesive strips. StarTech.com carries several monitor, laptop, and MacBook privacy screens in most standard aspect ratios to help you get the right screen to fit your system. As the IT professional's choice since 1985, our MacBook privacy screens are backed by a 2-year warranty and have free lifetime technical support. Discover hard to find made easy with StarTech.com. Place your order for our MacBook privacy screens through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.